wait before you skip this, because I'm about to share something that's been a total game changer for me, and it's ridiculously simple. I've been experimenting with the gelatin trick, and I've noticed a huge difference in my skin. It's like I'm glowing from the inside out. People around me have started to comment on how healthy and radiant I look, and it's all thanks to this one easy daily ritual. The gelatin trick is all about harnessing the power of gelatin to nourish your body from the inside out, and it's been especially amazing for my skin and nails. I used to have weak, brittle nails that would break at the slightest touch, but since I started doing the gelatin trick, they're stronger and more resilient than ever. My friend who's also been trying it out has seen similar results, and we're both obsessed with how easy it is to incorporate into our daily routines. To get started with the gelatin trick and see the benefits for yourself, check out the link in my description for a detailed walkthrough, and be sure to take a look at the pinned comment below for some helpful tips from our community. Get ready to unlock your own glow with the gelatin trick, and let's do this.